Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Morgan at Homeschool in the Woods. Today I'm going to be talking all about our read alouds for this year, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing our read alouds for this year. I've never scheduled read alouds before. This is brand new to me, so I'm super excited about it. We've already read 2 of these books already because they were pretty quick reads, but my kids are getting really excited about read alouds. We've been starting our morning off with our read aloud and it's been great. The kids are loving it. It's been a really nice way to ease into our school day and just take it easy and relax and just, I don't know. It's been going great, just doing it in the morning and just, I don't know, taking it very easy into the school day. So, but anyway, when I'm talking about read alouds too, I'm not talking about picture books, things like that. These are actually books, like thicker books. You'll probably be hearing my kids because I can hear them. When I'm in here doing this, there's no telling what they're doing in there, so you might be hearing some stuff. Anyway, yeah, we're still going to be reading our picture books and stuff like that with my kids because they love it, and my boys are always bringing me little books to read to them. This is not that. We're still going to be doing that. This is just bigger books that we're starting to read together, and yeah, I'm going to show you what we've got planned so far. So I'm going to start with the ones that we've already done. We started off with Mr. Apple's Family. Now this is from the Good and the Beautiful library. It's quite a big book. I wasn't expecting it, but it's not got a whole lot of words on the page, but it's got a lot of pictures and stuff in it. So it was a good way to ease into our doing the read alouds because we haven't been doing actual big books like this for our read alouds. So this was a good way to ease into it, and the kids did really like this book. So it's about this family. They name all their kids after apples. Like you got Macintosh and Jonathan. They have like 5 kids, and then it tells their story. It's really cute. So they really liked that. And this next one we just finished. It was a really good book. Okay, this is Mrs. Pigglewiggle. This was inspired by Rachel over at 7 and All. I found it at a thrift store the other day, and I had to get it because I just watched a video about her talking about it, and they loved it. And so I got it, and I'm really glad I did. The kids loved it. There was more there. I wish I'd have got them, but I didn't know, so I just got the one. But this is about Mrs. Pigglewiggle. She's the lady in the neighborhood who has a cure for all the children's ailments, like the kids who talk back, the never want to go to bedder's cure. There's a bunch of different ones. The very slow eater, tiny bite taker cure. So it's really cute. The kids just loved it. And they didn't really want to read it at first. When I got it, they're like, And then we got into it, they just loved it. So with the exception of maybe my 4-year-old, he kind of just plays and does his own thing while we read, but that's okay. So anyway, Mrs. Pigglewiggle. It's by Betty McDonald too. So these are really good. And the next book, we just started this morning. I feel like this is one that's on everybody's read aloud list, but we have to read it because it's a classic, right? So Charlotte's Web by E.B. White. It's also the author of Stuart Little. Yeah, we have to read Charlotte's Web. I'm pretty sure this might have been my book when I was a kid. I'm not sure because it's in pretty beat up shape, but I think it might have been mine. Anyway, yeah, so this is the next one. I think the kids are really going to like it. Who doesn't like Charlotte's Web? And we decided to do Little House in the Big Woods. This is a yard sale book. I got this for $1. See? So yeah, my oldest daughter has read all of these books. She really likes them, but she was okay with me doing it as a read aloud for the kids because I'm trying to find books that's good for, because I have my age range is 4 to 10, so I'm trying to find books that's good for that whole age range, which can be kind of a challenge. So, but I feel like this would be a really good book for all my kids. So that is going to be one of our read alouds. Okay, and the next one I have is The Whipping Boy. I don't know if you can see that. I got a glare going on. This is by Sid Fleischman. I don't know how to say that name. This is a book we've had for a long time and never read. It says, Jimmy, once a poor boy living on the streets, now lives in a castle as the whipping boy. He bears the punishment when Prince Brat misbehaves. This sounds like something my boys, at least Abram, my first grader, will probably really like this book. So, yeah. I've had this book for a while and I've been wanting to read it, so now we are. So, that is next on the list. Okay. Let's see. Alright, this book, I'm not sure about it. The back of it says, the story of a small boy's trip to rescue an overworked dragon from a jungle island bristling with wild beasts. This is called My Father's Dragon. The picture is kind of cute on the front. It's this lion that has bows in their hair. So, I don't know. It looks like it would be a really quick read. It's a really skinny book. It's got interesting pictures I think that the kids would like. I don't know. It might be kind of a goofy tale. And if it is, it would be right up their alley because they are goofy. This is a book I really want to read too because it just looks like a really good story. It's called The Vanderbeekers of 141st Street by Karina Jan Glasser. I don't know how to say that name. It says, it's 5 days before Christmas and the Vanderbeeker children should be dreaming about sugar plums and presents, but when their curmudgeonly landlord mysteriously refuses to renew their lease, the 5 siblings must find a way to change his mind before New Year's. So this looked like it would be a really cute book. I think this is actually a series, so if we like it, then we have more books that we can get to do later on. So anyway, yeah, that is on our list. This is a kind of a thick book too, so that might take us a little while. I don't know how long that'll take, but that one's next. So, okay, this book we've had for a long time. We've never read it. It's called Lady Lollipop. This is by Dick King Smith. I can't even read the back of it because there's nothing to read on the back. But from the pictures in the book, it looks like it would be something that the kids like. It looks like it's about a little spoiled brat. But the pictures are really cute. I don't know. We will try it. I want to read a lot of the stuff that we've had for a long time and not really read, so Lady Lollipop. And then we got, let's see, by Sarah Pennypacker, we have Pax. This is about a fox. Let me see if I can find something to read that doesn't have anything on the back. Okay, it says, Pax and Peter have been inseparable ever since Peter rescued him as a kit. But one day the unimaginable happens. Peter's dad enlists in the military and makes him return the fox to the wild. So, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. But this one's quite thick too. So, we have a couple bigger books and then we have a lot of books that are on the shorter side. So we kind of have a good mix, I feel like. And we have how many altogether? 9? Yeah. So that's 9 altogether. I don't know. I think the kids are really going to like it. Let me see if I can show you any of the pictures in it. It does have a few pictures. I thought it did. I'm not seeing them now. Oh well. There is pictures in the book, but I can't find them. So, yeah. We'll probably finish off our read alouds with Pax. Alright guys, if you have any recommendations for me for read alouds that your kids have loved, please leave them in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. So, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.